How to replace the tail and brake light bulbs on your 2012 to 2016 Honda CR-V. Materials needed. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a rubber glove, a 7443 light bulb for the lower light, and a 168 light bulb for the upper light. Caution: do not touch the light bulb with bare hands. The oil from your hands may cause the light bulb to overheat, resulting in early failure. First, remove the bolts from the tail light housings. Next, remove the bottom housing by placing your right hand on the inside part of the housing and push away from the center of the vehicle. You will hear and feel it detach. Then, pull it towards yourself to remove the lower housing. Turn each light bulb socket out of its respective housing socket. Next, remove the upper housing by pulling on it firmly. Turn the light bulb socket out of the housing. Pull out the upper light bulb from its socket, and then insert your new bulb. Remember, do not touch it with your bare hands. Next, turn the socket back into the housing. Press the upper housing firmly into place. You will hear it click once you have it secured into the vehicle. Next, pull out the lower light bulb from its socket. Replace it with the new one, avoiding contact with your bare hands. Next, turn the sockets back into the lower housing. Push the lower housing back into place. You will hear it snap back into place. Screw in both housings. Close the trunk door and then test the bulbs by pressing the unlock button on your key fob. Both lights should flash, indicating that they were installed properly.